Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will discuss the most profitable Japanese candlestick patterns, as there are more than 30 candlestick patterns, which will waste too much of your time. So I will try to summarize it in 7 or 8 candlestick patterns, which will give you the best results. And you will not have to waste your time on those useless candlestick patterns. So let's start. The first one is hammer, or it is also called pin bar. So try to take screenshot of these points or try to write it down with yourselves. The description of hammer is its wick must be at least double of the body. Okay, the wick of the candlestick pattern should be at least double of its body. It works best when appear on support, trend line, or on a flip zone. Color of the body is not too much important. Let me show you hammer. I have drawn its simple illustration, and where it's here, hammer. Okay, this is hammer. This one is its body, the green, and below is its wick. So as we can see, its wick is more than its body and more than the double of its body as well. So we will call it a hammer or a pin bar. I will also show you it on the chart, and I have not planned it before. Where here you can see it, this one. Zoom it. It is a pin bar, and it is also on a support. Look at this. Look at the market. It turned completely upside. Okay, so it was hammer. I can show you another example too. This, yes, this is a hammer too. Look at its body. The wick is more than the double of its body. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule how much long or how much short the wick will be, but at least it should be longer than its body, 2 times longer than its body. Here is another one. This, you can see how the market turned, and this was previous support area. You can see it too, how the market turned from this area. This was hammer. Let me take you to show you shooting star or pin bar. So shooting star is also called as pin bar, as hammer. It is the complete opposite of hammer. Its wick should also be at least double of the body as that of the hammer, and it works best when appear on resistance, trend line, or on a flip zone. So color of the body is not too much important. I will show you the illustration. Here, shooting star. It's here. Yeah, don't say. So you can see it is the body, the red one, it's body, and the upper one, it is the wick. Okay, the wick is more than double of the body size, so it is a shooting star or a pin bar. Let me show you on the chart too, on a different one. Okay, yes, it's here. Here you can see it, it is a shooting star. How the market turned from this area, and It is also on this is a resistance, so mark it turn here, turn down. Well, let me show you another example too. This here, it is a shooting star, and it's also on a flip zone. It was support, and when it broke it down, it became resistance, so it is a flip zone. Okay, let me show you another one, which is called as morning star. So try to note down the description of these candlesticks with you, or take screenshots of it, so it will help you in the future and you will not have to watch complete video for it. So what is it? Morning star. It is a 3 candlestick pattern formation. The second candle has a small body and small wick as compared to the other 2 candlesticks. The third candle opens with gap up and closes at 50% or completely above the first candle. Okay, there must be a preceding downtrend, and it works best when appear on a support area. Let me show you the simple illustration. Here we have morning star, shooting star. So sorry if it takes. Here it is morning star. Yeah, don't say. So we discussed it is a 3 candlestick formation. This one is the first one, this is the second, and that the third one. So as we said, the second candle body is smallest compared to the other 2, and the third one, it will open with a gap up, as we can see, and it will at least exceed 50% body of the first candle, which is this area is 50% of the first candle, which it did, and it works best on support. So let's see if we find any example of it. Let's see. Let me take you quickly. Here we can see this area, this here, the first candle, and there was a preceding downtrend as well. The second candle body is smallest compared to the 2 candlestick bodies, and this one closed above the body of the first candle, so it is a morning star. Okay, it was also on support area. You can see. Okay, let me take you to show you the opposite of morning star, which is evening star. It's also a 3 candlestick pattern formation. The second candle has a small body and small wicks as compared to the other 2 candles. The third candle opens with gap down and closes 50% or completely below the first candle. There must be a preceding uptrend, and it works best when appear on a resistance area. Let me show you its simple illustration first. Evening star, it's here, don't say. Okay, it is evening star. Okay, this was the first candle, the second candle, and the third candle respectively. The second candle body is smaller than the 2 candle bodies, and the third candle closes below the body of the 50% body of the first candle. You can see this area is 50% of the first candle. It works best on resistance. I will show you on chart 2. I hope I find it here. I hope to find it somewhere. Okay. Don't be panic if it takes a little longer for me to find the candlestick pattern. If we can see, this one is also this area, an evening star, because it was a preceding downtrend. Sorry, preceding uptrend. First candle, second candle body is smaller, but its wick is a little longer. There is not a hard and fast rule. It can be longer a bit sometimes, and in rare cases. And this candle, the third one, the red candle, it closes below the 50% body of the first candle. You can see this area is the 50% body of this candle. So it is an evening star. Also it is on a resistance area. Okay. I will try to find another example if I can, but I hope here. This one is also an evening star example. This one, no, it's not. Yeah, here I found it. The perfect example. You can see this first candle, second candle, smaller body and smaller wicks below and above its body, and the third one here, it completely exceeds the first body, engulfed both of the candlestick bodies. So it is a evening star. Let me take you to the next one. They are called Dogies. These candles are having very small bodies, and the best Dogies are the ones with larger wicks. It works extremely better when appears on support and resistance areas and on trend lines. Let me show you simple illustrations first. Dogies don't save. Yes. Okay. This one is long leg doji. This one is dragonfly doji. This one is gravestone doji. Gravestone, okay. You can see it here, gravestone. So these dojis, these candlesticks are quite important and works extremely better when appear on support and resistance, when appears on trend lines and on flip zones. We will try to find it out. The dojis on the chart 2 on a different pair. Okay, this one here, this, you can see this. Which one it is? You can see this is long leg doji. So again, there is not hard and fast rule how much its wick should be, but the close of the candle should be at the same area where it opened. So this is on a, you can see, on an area support, we can call it. Yes. Let me find out another examples. I hope it won't take long for me. Yeah, this one is long leg doji too. You can see it. The gravestone doji and dragonfly dojis are quite hard to find, but I will try. I will try to find it out. You can see this one is another doji, and this one is. It's not important in the bodies, the clothes, and the most important thing in a doji is its longer wick. Doesn't matter it appears in a downtrend or in an uptrend, but it should be having longer bodies and it should close at the same area where it opened. So yeah, that's it. We will move towards engulfing candlestick patterns. Okay, pardon me for the spelling of the engulfing candlestick patterns. This type of candles completely engulfs the previous candle in its own body, as it is quite clear from the term engulfing. These are two candlestick formations. These are two candle and it has no wick or very small wicks. It works extremely better when appear on support and resistance and trend lines and flip zones. So I will show you simple illustration to have you an idea how it looks. These are engulfing patterns. Sorry if I adjust the screen a bit. Okay, just to show you it better. This one, this candle, this is a bearish candle. Okay, because it opened here and closed here, but what do we see? It completely engulfs the first candle, this one. So it is called as bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. This one here is bullish engulfing candlestick pattern because it opened here and closed here, so it is bullish. The bullish candlestick closes above from the area where it opened, and the bearish candle closes below from the area where it opened. So I hope it won't create any confusion. So we can see this candle, the green one, completely engulfed the first candle, the red one. So it is bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Let me take you to the charts to show you how this candlestick works. The first one I saw here, you can see this is bearish engulfing pattern, and it is also on a resistance area. You can see this is a resistance area. So we can see how much the market moved downward after the formation of bearish engulfing pattern. You can see it gave us almost 390 pips, almost 400 pips just after formation of this candlestick pattern. So you can assume how better it works. Again, here is another example. This one, it's an bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, now let me show you bullish engulfing patterns to have a better idea of how it works. Here we can see this is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern formation. This one is also a bullish engulfing candlestick formation, and this one is also a bullish engulfing candlestick formation, because the green candle, this green candle completely engulfs the previous candle, the red one, completely engulfed it. So that's why it is called as engulfing patterns. I hope it will help you a lot, and in the next video we will discuss what is trend line and how to draw trend lines effectively. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.